Warning, Eastcoastin must insist that no one attempt to recreate or reenact any stunt or activity performed in this video. Some activities are AI generated and filmed in Mexico.
The group Eastcoastin.
The Eastcoastin.
The Eastcoastin.
So guess what? It's happening anyway.
Yeah, I ain't clean the oil lines. That's it.
There she comes. She's about to come out. What do you think?
I'll let my bike sit on the chip for 5 minutes straight.
And she'll be good.
It'll be fine.
Usually it comes on nicely when you cut it, like I did. There it goes.
She ain't coming.
She's coming. Come on, you bitch. Alright, I got her out. Somebody get something. I gotta pour this. Oh, stop it. Is it bad?
Oh, buddy. Her days are numbered. I don't know how many numbers.
Looks like that. What does mine look like?
Look how packed it is.
That's your filter, Gabe?
Yeah.
It definitely filtered.
The motor runs good.
Wait, can you do it to mine? I'm really nervous now.
Yeah, cut Collins
Actually,
open.
I changed my mind.
Cut Collins open.
At this point, we're going to do a quick commercial break. Huge shout out to over there at Shop 67. Joey Wells got me a fresh motor over there with a Dark Horse crank. It's on standby. Now could be the time we make the call, and then it gets
Yeah, that's not looking great. This is filter number 2.
I've never changed my filter.
After you blew it up, you didn't change the
Dude,
filter.
what is that? That might be the
Bottom of the filter. How's that look?
A lot of you can't really cut that part with the grinder.
Did you?
No metal in my oil filter.
I am taking a perfectly running motorcycle that has 8,000 original miles on it. That is just super sound and perfectly mint, taking it apart to alter it. So when you see me on the side of the road broken down this thing, we're going to clip this part in. About 2 hours went by. Barcombe went home early, but got a little crazy with this thing. Ripped her all the way apart. I did take apart a perfectly good motorcycle here. Got it all laid out. But I want to say this was routine maintenance. They say you're supposed to change the cam chain tensioners at like 25,000, 20,000. Well, this thing's got 8,500 miles on it, and the shoe was broken off in there. So, needed to be done anyway. So, we're going to upgrade all this 95 kit, some fueling stuff, get a 574 cams in there. She's going to rip.
Well, you guys seen Gabe went a little crazy last night when I left, but...
I was doing the motor, and I realized if I'm going to try to make this thing like 100 horsepower, it's probably going to snap the belt off in 2 seconds. And I wouldn't care if it was like local, but this thing's gonna go to California, and then where am I gonna do a belt or chain drive kit somewhere? So now we have to do chain drive kit.
Yay!
Looks nice in there, honestly.
Not a bad motorcycle.
Damn, I spilled oil everywhere.
Yeah, you did.
That belt went to Sturgis and back, so
That's all we needed.
it is what it is.
You have to say, I'm very proud of the way that this looks right here. This kid took this whole thing apart. Everything's organized, laid out.
Don't worry about me. I see how you other guys work here, okay?
No. I like doing it like this.
Yeah.
I've seen other people just piles of bolts.
What are we doing?
But no, you did good. I'm very proud of the organization.
We're working.
Did you put that there fueling thing on this crank and check this run out?
No.
Are you gonna?
I'm gonna grab it.
There you go. I just gotta hold it.
No, I put the steers in.
Oh. I was like, wow, I can hold it.
To be honest, let's talk about it. You don't make them like this anymore.
No. What do you think? You said 2 to 3?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna be that guy and go 3 to 5.
It's kind of rude. If you are doing a motor, you need this.
Yes.
Promise.
If you ever pulling your cam chest out, you need.
Oh, I'm not gonna check the run out.
You need to put this on and check the run out.
Kablam.
Let me see. Hold on.
Set her to 0.
Put her on a low spot. Oh, you could already tell.
No, it's fine.
Oh, I didn't want to be that guy.
You don't even notice. Like this.
I didn't want to be right, but
Still, man.
it's 3 to 5.
Get down those bigger jobs.
Your shaft gets stuck every time.
Oh, yeah, shit that shaft. You get stuck.
Oh, you're dripping. Where are you going?
What are you crying about over there? Your ball. His ball rolled. Look at him. Look at him. Go get it. He's crying over here. His ball rolled underneath. Look at him. I'm going to show him. Look, go get
there
it.
it is.
You got it. He needs a confidence boost. Come on. Go get it. See, you're crying for no. You could reach that.
Go get it.
I don't fit down there. Come on.
Turn the bars on this. You got it. You're right there.
You're giving up halfway.
Hold on. Flip.
Come on.
He was right there.
Dude, you had it.
Hold on. Flip this up. Got a little more room.
Come on.
Go. You got it. Come on. Go get it.
Go get it. I'll go down there with you. Look, I'll kneel down with you like I'm gonna get it. Come on. Reassurance. You need reassurance.
Hype him up. Hype him up.
You got it. Go get it.
You got it.
Here, I'll do one of these. How about this? Yeah. My boy, you still parked right down here in the middle.
Good job, my boy. Let me see. Nice.
She's a little burnt. I know if I don't change it while I'm there,
It's probably fine,
we're
but
gonna get 5 minutes down the road and it's gonna go click, 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 click. So we're gonna do the fresh stator while we're there too, you know? We're gonna make the project worthwhile. This bike was ridden by an old man, a good 6,000 miles, and then I got my hands on it and just whooped it in 2 bell brawls.
honestly, I blame Seabear. You got this from him anyway. We should call him. Like, dude, I can't believe you sold me this bike.
FaceTime Seabear.
Starting a FaceTime call to spare home.
I thought we were friends. What? Thought we were friends, dude. I thought we were friends.
Show him. Flip it.
I heard you. Why are you saying that?
It's getting worse as I get deeper here.
Do you know the name of the crankshaft? What?
For 5,000s.
That's all you, bud. I didn't do anything to that bike.
I don't know, dude. It's not looking that way.
You're out of your mind.
I'm getting over here.
I didn't do nothing, dude. You did all the beating on that bike.
Now you blame me.
You know that's true. I didn't do nothing to that bike.
You were riding all over the place.
I didn't even blow one tire off that bike.
Yeah.
Clean bike, never abused.
I know, old man owned. He probably got cluster swapped.
Tito Cranberry.
Oh, that's my boy.
That's nice. Jeffrey.
Alright, well, I'm sorry.
No, I'm only breaking your balls. It's only 4,000 Sal, but still, it's not good. Call me later.
Instead of taking the shock off,
Who's putting on a used belt? Huh?
somebody in a pinch.
I know these side snips are not the right move here, but they're going to get
They're
to it.
qualified. Ooh. Ah. Thank you.
Probably was a good
Clean. It's a clean cut. Oh, it would have got you home if you needed to, but
No, I had rubbed on something for a while, too. You want Harley Davidson?
in the garbage.
How you doing?
Oh no,
Where's your-
I didn't put it together.
Ooh,
Nice.
satisfying.
Let it sit, but this is the best part, the little paintbrush. You just get in there
It
like
kind of burns my face. My
it does. You can't breathe it in.
Wasn't satisfied just taking the motor apart. Had the whole side of primary apart, too.
Well, you needed the chain drive.
Let me tell you, if anybody got shafted on this job, this bike had chrome 13 spokes. They were supposed to go on it. But hey, Eastcoastin giveaway number 9. Gabe, can we borrow those wheels? We're going to replace it. Still waiting on the replacement here.
Not Chrome Mags.
I got to say again, powder coated black, because my
Yeah.
chrome ones are unlucky number...
Catherine.
Catherine?
Yep.
Yeah.
Catherine got Gabe's Chrome Mags.
That's all right. They went to a good home. I'm happy.
Yeah. She
If
needed
somebody's
them.
got chrome 13s out there, East Coast knows Gabe was that, so put it on the bill.
Gabe's bike's all apart. Chain drive kit. We knew that. We were talking about that. Paulie's over here. Got the T-Sport on the lift. Another chain drive kit going.
We're getting this
And the 5th gear seal. And the,
Jim's kit because that race walks in.
and then
it was
blows the 5th
perfectly
gear.
fine, but I know if I didn't do it, it'll
He already
happen.
bought it and he had enough room to just get the tool in there and get it off. I got it. I got my hand on the bike.
Oh, I hit my finger off.
We need to heat her up again.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna hold the damn bike.
Hold the damn bike, Joey.
It's a tweak. Look at the rust in there.
It's coming.
It's coming off.
It's just
4 chain drive kits, 1 week. All Daytona prep. Tell him, Joe. Chain drive kits. Belts are for pants.
Belt for pants.
Chains for bikes.
Chains for bikes. My brother's.
He doesn't know what he's doing, Joey.
I don't know. We got something wrong with this effing motor over here.
Joey, tell me what's going on with this motor. It don't look like it's doing too good, does it?
Yeah, it doesn't.
Nothing.
And we got over here.
Give me a walk.
Bike.
No, mine's good now. Hold on, it's just got no seat. Start her up. Yeah, give her some.
I don't.
Oh no, it's going.
Are you sure? Unless these threads are just
Might just be eating right
They might definitely be.
We ran into a major issue. The threads on the tool are completely stripped, so this thing just spins inside there. Almost halfway off. Yeah. Here we go. We had to readjust. The threads are absolutely gone. No more threads. We had to move everything over so we can grab the good threads over at the top. We're almost, oh,
There it is.
there it
He's
is.
filming a video.
Oh,
That thing's hot,
it
dude.
is hot as still. I'm gonna put it back on.
He's filming
Surprise! Happy birthday, buddy. Happy birthday to you. Ha!
You know I got too close.
DJ play my song and I'll feel alright. Hands up, play my song. Moving my hips like hell. Under my hair.
Right now, it's 43 degrees out. It feels like 75 for us. Got tail lights wired up.
No, are you
Gabe's-
close to being done here? Or
You
what?
doing what? Wheels?
Yeah, fresh powder.
Gabe's doing fresh powder coated wheels for the blue bike. Motor's still apart. Val's gonna be here with his bike freshly painted. Paulie's doing a nice polished HPI. Everybody's working today. Got my bike completely done. I'm gonna take it for a ride quick because I haven't rode it yet. We're trying to get outside. Look at it. It's nice out.
Sal's doing brakes on ran 15.
Sal's doing brakes on his dad's 1500.
Get a block of wood.
Are you kidding me? Listen, I want to have a session. You gotta hurry up. You guys should have did this when it was cold out. It's hot now. Let's go.
I'm putting on the
We've been taking these things and throwing them in the garbage for years.
live to ride.
Now Paulie buys.
This one's seen some action.
Yeah, that one's done. Now Paulie buys a brand new
A
one.
regular chrome one on drag was $25. This is 32. I balled out a little bit.
Stinks in there, Paul. It really does.
You should have smelt my T-Sport.
No, the T-Sport was
I took the-
disgusting.
I
I've never
took-
smelled a bike that bad. Yeah, let me see that
That top one ran away a long
You
time
might be
ago.
able to get a longer
one.
one.
That's it.
Yeah.
No. There ain't no
See what I'm
fixing
saying?
that. We've done too many 95 kits. There's just C-clips on the floor.
That looks like you just bought.
My back brakes. Look.
Step on it. Oh, yeah.
Get a washer.
Got some new crush washers. Cleaned her up. It's all good. Just bled it real quick. Not leaking anymore. Val's got his bike all done. The bags aren't on it, but Val's bike's all done last week. Got it all painted up. Got it all put together.
You can tell in the light more, you see all the
flake and stuff.
It looks good. I can't wait for you to put the bags on it.
Yo, the bags look sick. Everything. I sprayed the same layer.
It looks
These
good
aren't
though.
done yet.
Oh yeah, you just got a wet sand above those. It does look good. It's not completely done yet. There's no front brakes.
I gotta bleed the front brakes.
Nope.
Other than that,
I think it's time for the maiden voyage. Real genuine Harley.
We've got all the Yeah Brothers stuff. I feel like I gotta have at least some of those.
Well, she died. We're gonna have to pop start her.
I used to ride this thing with no starter. The starter was bad for a while.
Right out the middle?
I got it. Don't you worry about it.
All right, let me see. Nice. We got it. We got it. Don't worry.
No front brake holes here.
How was the maiden voyage?
We made the gas station back, you know?
Oh, like I was saying at the gas station, nobody understands what it means to like see this thing on the road again.
She's a good girl. She had a long life.
Yeah, Gabe's had this thing literally since high school.
Yeah.
We all rode this thing.
Converted everyone to buy a Harley.
This was like first Harley all of us ever rode was the Lie Glide.
Because I had that and I got my first Super Glide. Everybody started borrowing that thing. And
Yeah, like me and Sal were both still in high school and we would ride this thing. Good old Y Glide.
She's back, baby.
And she got all the goodies on her too, everything.
I still, like, obviously I could have built like another wheelie bike, but I feel like you got to leave it apes and forwards.
Oh,
like,
yeah, no, for sure. Especially because that's how the Y Glide's always been. Now it's just refreshed with a bunch of new shit on it.
I got it. It was originally 100 year. I'm like, keep it
Nah.
original. Like, I can't wait to get the front fender on.
The best thing you could have did with this thing was just exactly what you did. Some chrome stuff
Just
and a
refresh.
sick motor, and that's it. Refreshed it.
I'm like super
Good
stoked.
bike. Good bike.
Well, who else got an 03 Y Glide with a 2017 Lowrider S motor and trans 110 bolted right in like she's supposed to be in there? 6-speed.
Looks good.
She's a good unit.
We just got to do the front brakes now. That's it. It's all there. My makeshift office going. Boys are downstairs doing orders. Let's go check out how they're doing. Laying them out.
Daytona order,
Nice
trying to get them
tire.
out so I don't get the death threats that, hey, I ordered a Daytona shirt and it didn't get here before Daytona. I'm sorry. I'm trying. They're going out the door. How many days till Daytona?
3. We'll be there Friday. It's Monday.
If you order it maybe today, you might get it. Tomorrow's probably the cutoff. Otherwise, you're going to get it when you get home.
Yeah.
You're going to have a souvenir. Maybe you'll see us in Daytona somewhere popped up selling them. You never know.
We're trying to get as many out as we can.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video. I'll see you on the next one.
Eastcoastin giveaway number 10 is here. And to kick it off, we're giving away this brand new 2025 Harley-Davidson Lowrider S and Mystic Shift. This thing's decked out with a ton of aftermarket parts, and since this is our 10th giveaway, we're starting out launch week with 10 times entries. So if you want to end up with this bike parked in your garage, all you have to do is click that link, make a purchase off the site, and secure your entries. It's that simple. This giveaway is coming to an end in just a few weeks, so click that link, take the chance, and get entered.